Hey there, and welcome to the Tech Gals. We're here to empower your digital dreams one click at a time. I'm Dawn, and today I'll show you how to schedule newsletters in System.io for webinars or just about any occasion in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and get you creating newsletters in no time. Hey, everybody. So I am going to show you how to post for the webinar that we are having. So what you want to have open is your funnels or your system account and your school account. So when you open up school, you go into community. Right here at the top, it's the pinned post, is where she's talking about the very next webinar that we have. All right, so if you click there, it's going to take you right over to here. Now, if you want to get to it from the classroom, then you will click classroom here at the top and you will scroll down free webinar resources. Okay, so when you click on there, it's going to take us right back to here. So what I do is I will click on this photo and download it. Why? Because you can use these in your posts on Facebook. You can put them in your newsletters that you're going to send out. The very next thing, and if this is covering something that you guys have already learned, it's fine. A refresher is never bad. So I'm just going to go down here. This is the link that is preloaded into the email. So this is the Zoom link that you will use to invite people to. Right here where it says newsletters under resources, this is what we get to copy and paste. Now, my suggestion is open up ChatGPT, something else. Like I use ChatGPT, I use Centra with my employees. I have it reworded to fit me and my tone for my business. So what you can do is we will just go ahead and open up chat, and we're going to have it's on a brand new screen here where nothing is done. So we're going back over here to these newsletters. Now, this one you're supposed to send it tonight. So you want to make sure that you're over here inside of your system. You want to go to emails and newsletters, and you can either take this subject line the way it is, which is completely fine because all we have to do is change it. So you're just going to copy it, and we're going to go back over here to newsletters and hit create. We're going to put it right there into the subject line, and we're going to make sure it's on Classic Editor because that makes it easier, and we're going to click save. So what that does is it puts it right up here at top for us, and then all we have to do is click on it to open it up and put the body in just like this. So then we go back over here, and we can copy all of this right here. And we're going over to chat, and we're going to say, hey, chat, please rewrite this in and tone for the upcoming webinar. And then paste it in there. You hit return or enter, and it's going to rewrite everything for you. So as soon as it gets done, then we're going to take this, copy, paste it over into our newsletter. So here, this is right here, copy, and we're going back over to news. We're going to paste it in here. So as soon as I get it pasted, I always re-highlight it and I adjust the size because I like my words to be bigger. And then for the webinar date, you'll change this to the date, which I believe is September 6th at 12 Central Standard Time. So this is that Zoom link, right? It's already preloaded. Chat puts it in there for us, and we don't have to worry too much about it. So then you go through and you make sure that everything sounds good for you, and then you want to make sure that you are selecting. You have to do this part of it. I know, again, this is probably covering something that you are familiar with, which is doing the newsletters, but if not, this is a great refresher. Make sure that you are choosing who you want this newsletter to go to. So the majority of you is going to be the legacy builder or Passive Daily Pay, whichever one you put in there as your tag or that was set up for you. So then you want to save and schedule. This one would go out today. I already have all of mine scheduled. But you would just click the little calendar there, pick your day, and then pick what time you want it to go out. Say we want it to go out at 10 o'clock tonight for whatever reason. Then, cancel because it didn't save. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Save and schedule. And there we go. So then you just exit, and it's going to show right here that it is scheduled to go out. Okay. Now, see this one I have going, it has already went out, right? All right. So say we want to go and post now. So now, remember we used chat here. We was like, hey chat, help us out. Can you write me a post in my tone directed at my perfect customer? Which chat knows what my perfect customer is because I've trained my chat GPT to know what my perfect customer is. For Facebook, keep it short, funny, and concise. Talking about the upcoming webinar and getting people to click to go to it. So then I just hit enter. It's going to give me the short thing, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to go over to my Facebook or whatever platform you're using. So right here, so you see it even gave that previous Zoom link, right? It's right there. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go over here. I'm going to open up a Facebook. I'm going to click in here. I'm going to add that picture. Remember I said download it. It's right there. How to earn. This is the upcoming webinar. And right there is what chat made for us. You can tweak it if you want. Mine is pretty good. So instead of it saying click here to grab your seat, I'll say comment below. To grab your seat. That way I'm going to get people into my funnel system because that is, of course, what we are hoping to accomplish, right? Is to build our funnel system. So we click on next, and then we're going to just post it. If you're on your phone, you can schedule them on your personal pages, just FYI for everybody. So there you go. That is how you would schedule a post. We don't want to ever put the actual Zoom link on our feed, on our Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or Threads, Lemonade, whatever it is that you're using, because we don't want just anybody to be able to get onto our Zoom, right? We want it to be the people that are actually interested. So what we do is you can comment down here, send them your link. If someone comments, then you can send them. And when I say send them your link, you want to send them to your capture page. Because when you do that, remember we have these newsletters, right? So these newsletters go out to everybody that you have in that funnel system. So mine is set to clean out every day. I clean out my contacts, and not everybody's like that. But then you would just repeat the same process by doing your newsletters, and then you can, of course, post to Facebook. I love ChatGPT because it's so easy. Again, like I said, I use our employees that we have Centra as well. So I hope that helps, and I hope it answered a lot of questions. And if you have any more, please just let me know. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech House for more tips on mastering your digital marketing tools. And don't forget to to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below because we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep empowering your digital dreams one click at a time.